So here it is. Get your car set up mirror to mirror. You want to turn your wheel one circle to the right. So see this word right here? See the logo? Make sure it's right side up. That's one circle, 360 degrees to the right. All right, that's 360 degrees. And right before you back up, okay, I already got it on reverse here. So give me a second. Car passing by. All right. Okay, so right before you start backing up, you check your blind spots. Check all the way around. Check your mirrors. Check all the way around. Make sure there's nobody behind you, in front of you. And you're going to start backing up. You're going to be looking back. While you're looking back, your car is getting into the 30-degree angle. Well, you want to get it about 30-degree angle. So when I see the car right about here, just like that, the mirror past the back of the car a little bit, or it's just about to the back of the car, you stop. Turn your wheel another circle to the left, one full circle. Continue backing up while looking back. Look front, look back, look front, look back, look front. And when you think your back tire is about a foot to a foot and a half away from the sidewalk, you're gonna turn your wheel all the way to the left and lock it, just like that, and just land your the car point. Right now there's a bunch of snow, so it's a bunch of snow in the way. And when you line up the car, when it's nice and parallel to the sidewalk, and when the car in front of you is nice and straight, you're gonna straighten out your wheel, put it in park, or you can just go forward a little bit. You gotta make sure that you see at least the whole bumper. You don't have to see the tires, but at least the whole bumper. And then put it in park. That's it. Done. Thank you.